Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare Centrum Men versus Centrum Advance. Choosing the right multivitamin can be tricky, but understanding their key differences helps. Centrum Men is specifically formulated to address the unique nutritional needs of men, focusing on areas like energy and muscle health. Centrum Advance, on the other hand, provides a comprehensive blend of nutrients for general wellness, suitable for a wider adult audience. Both aim to supplement your diet with vital vitamins and minerals. Centrum Men is designed with a man's body in mind. It features tailored levels of B vitamins, which are crucial for converting food into usable energy, supporting your daily vitality. This formula also includes magnesium and vitamin D3, key nutrients that contribute to maintaining normal muscle function. Furthermore, it provides essential antioxidants like vitamin C and E, along with zinc, to help bolster your immune system and overall health. Centrum Advance serves as a complete daily multivitamin for general health. It's packed with B-complex vitamins to support your body's energy release throughout the day. This formula also contains a powerful combination of vitamins A, C, D, and zinc, all working together to support the normal function of your immune system. Additionally, it includes nutrients like biotin and chromium, which contribute to the healthy metabolism of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. So, how do you decide? If you're looking for a multivitamin specifically formulated to support male health, including energy metabolism and muscle function, Centrum Men is likely your best choice. However, if you need a broad-spectrum daily multivitamin to help fill general nutritional gaps and support overall wellness, Centrum Advance is an excellent option for both men and women. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.